one thing I just need to quickly mention, when you are doing the weighted version of the Turkish get-up, very important to do what we call packing the shoulder. And what that looks like is, if I have my arm up in the air like this, okay, right now my shoulder's down, but without actually moving the elbow at all, I can extend my arm just like this. So you can see the difference there, probably about 1.5 to 2 inches of movement just by extending the shoulder. Okay, so this is extended, this is packed. Anytime we're doing any overhead movements with any sort of weights, we want to have the shoulder packed down. And what that does is it creates a nice stable base here, so that way we're not going to get shoulder injury or shoulder strain. All right. The Turkish get-up is phenomenal for rehabilitating injured shoulders, just because as your body's twisting and turning, it's really working the shoulder in all its ranges of motion. But it also has an equally high injury potential, just because we're holding this weight overhead the whole time. So just make sure that when you got the weight overhead, shoulder is packed down nice and tight, okay? And basically that happens when you're on the floor right in that initial few seconds there. So you're on the floor, the weight's out, okay? And as soon as you roll onto your side, basically as that arm's extending, okay, you're packing the shoulder down, and then it's nice and stable, and it stays in that position for the rest of the movement. So just keep that in mind as you're moving through the exercise.